Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for English for Standard 7, Unit number 5, that is Exploring Values. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please to subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, what solution had Swaminathan to find out? It is option number B. How much money would Krishna have to pay? Second, father was reading a newspaper when he asked a question to Swaminathan. It is option number C. Third, what contained the key to the whole problem according to Swaminathan? It is option number A, that whether the mangoes were ripe or unripe. Fourth, according to Swaminathan, 15 annas for ripe mangoes would be, it is option number A, fair price. Fifth, what miracle did Swaminathan wait for? It is option number A, that his father would help him solve the problem. Sixth, father seemed delighted in torturing Swaminathan. It is option number D. Seventh, Swaminathan's father warned him. It is option number B, to thrash him. Eighth, the longer Swaminathan hesitated, it's option number B, the more violent the twist was becoming. Ninth, as Swaminathan could not solve the problem soon, his father grew, it is option number A, angry. 10th, what was the correct answer to the question asked by Swaminathan's father? It is option number A, 6 annas. Now we'll see the question answers for the first paragraph. First one, what does the first sentence of the text convey? The first sentence of the text conveys that Swaminathan is all prepared to study with his father. Second, for what amount of money does Rama want to sell his 10 mangoes? Rama wants to sell his 10 mangoes for 15 annas. Third, what was the effect of his father's question on Swaminathan? When his father asked Swaminathan the question, Swaminathan kept on gazing at his father, and on the other hand, his mouth started watering. Now, second paragraph question answers. First one, what made Swaminathan feel helpless? Swaminathan felt that his father had not made the point clear whether Rama wanted to sell ripe mangoes or unripe mangoes. This confusion made him feel helpless. Second, what according to Swaminathan was the key to the question asked by his father? According to Swaminathan, the key to the problem was in making the point clear whether the mangoes were ripe or unripe. Third, what according to Swaminathan was unfair? According to Swaminathan, to expect 15 annas for 10 unripe mangoes was unfair. Now, third paragraph question answers. First one, what help did Swaminathan's father offer? Swaminathan's father offered to help him solve that problem. Second, why could Swaminathan not justify the price of the mangoes? Swaminathan could not justify the price of the mangoes because he thought that 15 annas for 10 unripe mangoes was unfair. Third, on what point did Swaminathan want his father to get more light? Swaminathan wanted his father to get more light on the point that if the price were 15 annas for 10 ripe mangoes, it wouldn't be unfair. Now, fourth paragraph question answers. First one, what punishment did Swaminathan get for not answering the questions soon? For not answering the questions soon, Swaminathan's father twisted his ear. Second, what could Swaminathan not decide? Swaminathan could not decide whether the solution could be found by addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Third, what expression do the words Swaminathan kept blinking suggest? The words Swaminathan kept blinking suggest that Swaminathan was confused or he did not know why his father was growing stricter to him. Now, fifth paragraph question answers. First one, what was father's defeat? Father admitted that Swaminathan himself would not be able to solve the problem because so far he believed that Swaminathan could do it, if not easily with a little effort, but it did not become possible. Second, why did Swaminathan expect to be contradicted? Swaminathan expected to be contradicted because he was not sure that what he had worked out to find the solution would be correct. Third one, what was the expression burst into tears for? The expression burst into tears was to suggest that after half an hour's agony, Swaminathan could work out the correct answer. It was the expression of relief. Now we'll see B questions. Answer the following questions as you think fit. First one, we are not taught this kind of thing at school. Why do you think Swami said the above sentence? Swaminathan was asked a practical question. In schools, theory is taught, but its application or practicality of knowledge is hardly taught. So Swaminathan said, we are not taught this kind of thing at school. Second, why did father think Swami was an idiot? Father thought that Swami was an idiot because he couldn't solve a simple problem even in simple proportions. Third, how did father make Swami give the answer? Do you think he helped Swami in arriving at the correct answer? Perhaps Swami was fumbling which method he should adopt to arrive at the correct answer. Then his father gave a hint to him. He asked Swami simple questions leading him to solution, and at last Swami could answer the question. Fourth, why did Swami burst into tears in the end? Swami made a lot of efforts to solve the problem. He was greatly confused and tolerated his father's anger. At the end of half an hour's agony, Swami could arrive at the solution. This made Swami burst into tears. Fifth one, it was plain sailing after that. What was plain sailing? Swami had gone half the way solving the problem. Then his father approved that he was on the right track and asked him to go further. The rest of the thing for Swami was now easy. Now the second question is, when was it plain sailing? After doing half the sum, it was plain sailing. Now question number 3, that is match A with B. First one, gazed. It's option number J, looked fixedly. Second one is smothering. It is option number I, suffocating or stifling. Third one is to feel strong about. It is option number H, to be sure of something. Fourth one is miracle. It is option number G, the happening of something unbelievable or unexpected. Fifth one, idiot. It is option number F, someone who is not good for anything. Sixth one is thrash. It is option number E, beat. Seventh one is scowl. It is option number D, an angry expression on the face. Eighth one is harassing. It is option number C, troubling. Ninth one is contradict. It is option number B, to go against. 10th one, plain sailing. It is option number A, to become easy. Now we'll see question number 4, true or false. First one, Swaminathan's father asked him a question based on algebra. It is false. Second, Rama wanted to earn 15 annas for 4 mangoes. It is false. Third, Swaminathan's mouth began to water as soon as he heard about mangoes. It is true. Fourth, the counter question by Swaminathan to his father was, were the mangoes ripe? It is true. Fifth, according to Swaminathan, it would be unfair to expect 15 annas for 10 unripe mangoes. It is true. Sixth, Swaminathan could not answer the question because he was not taught that kind of thing at school. It is true. Seventh, the price of 4 mangoes was 15 annas. It is false. 8th, father took pleasure in giving mental pain to Swaminathan. It is true. 9th, Swaminathan felt that he was being led to the most difficult part of arithmetic fractions. It is true. 10th, it was plain sailing after that, means it was easy to do the rest of the thing. It is true. Now we'll see the word power. First question is, make nouns of the following words and use them in the sentences of your own. First one is readiness. The Air Force promised regular combat readiness patrols. Second, dedication. I really admire John for his dedication to his family. Third, helplessness. The incident left me with a sense of helplessness. Fourth, strength. He pushed against the rock with all his strength. Fifth, container. The container had a heavy load of goods. Sixth one, hesitation. A moment hesitation could have cost him his life. Seventh, solution. He gave the correct solution to the problem. And eighth one is addition. The children learned addition and subtraction. Now question number 2 is, fill in the blanks in the text making appropriate noun forms from the words given in the brackets. Blandford's attention was divided between the two. He felt a strong urge to follow the girl, yet he also had a deep attachment for the woman who had given him great encouragement and strength. Now question number 3, replace the underlined words with the words given in the brackets in each of the sentence. First one, she was completely disappointed after that incident. Second, I was given loan in small parts. Third, please explain this point in detail. Fourth, I have an indefinite inclination to thrash you. Fifth, Mona suddenly started crying when she heard about her mother's death. Now we'll see the grammar part. Change the degree of the following sentences. First one, my cat is the nicest of all. Second, Emily's brother is older than her. Third, the exercise with an asterisk is more difficult than any other exercise on the worksheet. Fourth, my sister has more interesting hobby than his hobby. Fifth, my father gave me a better book than I read in the last holidays. Sixth, homework is the most boring in the school. Seventh, bungee jumping is the most dangerous hobby among all. Eighth, that magazine is cheaper than this. Ninth, my grandparents' house is the smallest in our family. 10th, this joke was funnier than any other joke I have ever heard, which John told me yesterday. Now we'll see the writing part. Firstly, we'll see the dialogue completion. Right. So I'll read out from the patient part. Patient, thank you, doctor. Doctor, just take these medicines and come after 2 days. Patient, okay, doctor. Doctor, yes, and take these injections too. Patient, sure, doctor, thanks again, you're welcome. Right. Now we'll see develop a paragraph based on the following diagram. Right. The following is the pie chart for the monthly expenditure. It shows in what way Mr. Agarkar spends his monthly salary. Explain it with the help of the chart in about 10 sentences. So we'll write the paragraph as, this pie chart shows Mr. Agarkar's monthly expenditure. He spends 30% of his income on food and grocery, 20% on education and entertainment, and 10% on medical and cosmetics. With all these expenditures, he saves 20% of his income for future and 20% on insurance. He is spending his money wisely. Spending less for entertainment is reasonable. 20% of these savings in a year is beneficial for their future. Now we'll see the additional activity. Name the values that derive from the given acts. So the first and second answers, the values derived are kind. Third one is honesty. Fourth one is sympathetic. Fifth one is thoughtful. Sixth one is gentle. Seventh one is friendly. Eighth one is patient. Ninth one is tolerant. And 10th one is loyal. And here we come to the end of chapter number 5, that is exploring values. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comments section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.